Taking a walk. Crystal. Hi. Crystal. Crystal the cat. Taking you on an adventure of the beautiful Finland. We should be on that side, right? So we could see the cars coming? Yeah. Mommy and Daddy's house. Oh, look, they have the solar on top.
Yeah.
Didn't know that. These wide open fields. Neighbor's house. See if the sheep are out. Car coming. Very quiet, very peaceful. Person behind us walking as well. So we haven't been here for 5 years. See if there's any new things to see. It's currently, you said 37 degrees?
Yeah.
Which you would think would be extremely cold for two people from Arizona, but it's not. It's like quite nice. Whoa. I love the way the old farmhouses look.
Yeah.
Pronounce that street for me.
Rauvalanlahden.
Rauvalanlahden. Nailed it.
Rauvala Bay Road.
Ravel Bay Road.
Yeah.
I hope they don't hear my chewing. Could probably edit that out. Yay! Oh, that's cool. It changes the view on that other side.
Oh.
Supposed to snow when we go on the boat cruise. When is that? Thursday. Today is Monday. We are in the future because I think it's 10 p.m. in Phoenix. Was that right?
What did you say?
Was I right? About the time? This handle is very comfortable. We're such loud walkers. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Almost 1 a.m.
Okay. Well, when I checked, it was still yesterday. And it's now what time here?
It's 10:50 a.m.
10:50 a.m. Are those edible?
I don't know.
I feel like everything is edible here.
It's a rosebush.
Oh, it's... Oops. There are berry bushes and whatnot here as well. Look how beautiful! Oh my gosh. Quite open space. And your dad says there's bears in there? Or was he just joking with me?
What did you say?
Bears?
Bears. Not here.
That's new.
Oh, that's been there.
I don't remember that.
It's indoor paintball.
What?
It used to be.
I don't remember that.
It's an old water treatment plant, if I remember correctly.
Water treatment? Cool.
It's very good indoor paintball.
And then you can see the beach over there in the distance. Go for a dip in the ocean. It's been a while since we did this walk.
Yeah. At least 5 years.
Yeah, so people over there doing their own little walk. Oh, let me go single file. We have a car. He smiled at me. People say the Finnish aren't very good at small talk or being sociable, but I think they're lying. I think they just want you to think that so you stay out of their country. Had a very nice conversation with a lady 2 days ago at the farmer's market about World War II. Right?
Yeah.
And I bought a crochet tank from her and we exchanged Facebooks. I'd say that's pretty social. This lady had a good workout. She's delayering. Yeah, it's pretty chilly. I'm not gonna lie to you. But the sun is beating down. We'll put it this way, just for privacy reasons. Hello. Hey. Hey, hey is the way to say hello here. Terve is the other way.
Yeah, terve is hello.
Terve. But there's just something about hey, hey.
Yeah, that can be both high and by.
That makes me go cray cray. You don't say.
Yeah.
Shut up, Meg. Yeah. How to do it. How to do it. Little parking area. In case you want to come here and see absolutely nothing, there's parking for that.
It's a parking for the hiking trail.
The hiking trail that we are not on just yet, but we will be. And there's a map here. Okay, I remember that water plant thing now. Is that where we are?
That's where we are.
That's where we are. Yeah. Turku.
Mm.
Very good, very good. Good in Finland is hyvä. I hope this video comes out good. This is a test of sorts for Vegas. I'm thinking this would be extremely soft.
I'm sure it is.
Probably sink right in there. Like a marsh. No entrada. No more locked doors. I guess that could stay locked. There's another little poster. What does that say? Water?
It's a sign about the water treatment plant.
Uh-huh.
Explaining how it works.
Uh-huh. What's that over there?
I'm not sure. Some kind of well. Possibly. Or,
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
Hello, trees. Aptila. I think I heard a bear. There are bears in there. Roar. Well, if there is one, you could probably throw me on the ground and make a run for it, babe.
It's a panda bear.
Ah, is that a thing?
Or the one you sent me in the video earlier. Pretty friendly.
They had a beach in warm weather. This one has trees in cold weather.
There's a beach over there.
Yeah, it's a beach, but it's cold. Watch your step. Puddle. Fancy word for puddle. You know, we've reached our destination when we see the sheep. If they're out. If they're out. It might be too chilly, but I'm sure they're warmer than us right now. If they are out. It kind of looks like a Jason Voorhees situation out here, to be honest. Goes another sign, hidden.
Nature preserve.
Nice. Doesn't it almost feel like you guys are walking with us? Pardon the sound of me blowing my nose. It's leaking like a mofo. Whoa. Gotta watch the ground. Some spots are softer than others. Oh, remember the tree that had a hole in the bottom that you could climb into?
Yeah.
Let's see if that's still standing. Wow. Very pretty. I like that little green moss that's on everything. That looks like ash. What's that? Gravel. Chirp, 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 says the birds. Chirping and derping. Getting ready for Chirpendales. Am I right? Am I right? There goes some stragglers up there walking. I wonder if I can fix the screen going into sleep mode.
Is your tree?
I think this is it. I'm not going to climb in, but you can. And there's a whole house in there with a living room, a bathroom. No, there's not really, but you could climb in there. It's pretty cool. When these trees fell in the forest, did we hear them? I don't think so. No sound. I heard the bear fart though. Yeah, Chipotle. You might want to enjoy this walk on with this video muted, just so you don't hear my bullshit. Poor Sully has to hear it though. Now we could go that way. Luontapolku.
Nature walk. It goes to the bay.
But this way is the sheep. If there's sheep. If there's not. Where? I hear it. Oh! Ah, 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 ah. That's a woody woodpecker in the tree. Nobody's home. Keep on knocking, but he can't go in. Sully's gonna take a better picture. You see that on my Twitter. Another little sewer thingy. Floor's a little slippy doodles. Just gotta be careful. Nice walk to do every morning though. If you lived here. Worry about wolves and bears trying to eat you. But other than that, it's very calm and relaxing. With somebody's cute little house over there. Imagine living here and having all that freaking space right by the freaking beach. What's better than that? Oh, and then is this some sort of historical?
Yeah.
Let's get some history for the peeps back at home. Gotta kind of translate that. What is that, Sully? 1790. That's all I can understand.
First mention of this area is from 1451.
And what is it?
Guess it's just this farmhouse.
Alright. Who's this guy here? Looks important.
It is an officer.
He's got a cool sword.
Yeah, from the 1739.
He's probably dead now.
Most likely.
I get a little space so I don't impede on her privacy. Very privacy people. Not a bad thing. She's doing a nice little brisk walk. We're doing a lazy river walk. Well, I don't see any sheep, but sometimes they hide in those little sheds. This is where the sheep usually are. Bah. That's how you call them, right? Bah. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh. Don't step in that.
Ain't that some horseshit?
Ain't that some horseshit? Where the frick did the horses come from? Maybe we'll see some horses. Look at that freaking open space. Yeah, well, this is where the sheep were supposed to be. Bastards are hiding. Got a little bridge there. Little sheep bridge. I think the beaver sheep made it. It's a hybrid of sheep that is good with woodworking. These are all facts. Not sheep financial advice. Little wire that, I don't know. Did we figure out if this wire is electric?
Good try.
Well, I'll pass for now. Maybe next stream. Huh. Oh. The woods, we've been there, in there, but it looks very icy. So that is not going to be an option. Because aliens. It's getting nice and moist down here in the floor. Ugh. Mushy, mushy. That's cool though. Oh, squish, squish. I should put some of the gravel over here. Gotta rinse our shoes off when we get back. Oh. Well, they're looking at something. Maybe the sheep are over there. Or just they're reading the sign. To get any people. We don't want to impede on anyone's privacy. Well, I think it's this way. Because that has too much ice.
Somebody's house.
Oh, well, I'm sure they would give us some coffee. Smells so good here. Has that nice birch smoky smell. If you haven't been to Finland, you really should go. Check it out. Just to smell it. And then go back home. The smell is nice. Ooh. Trail is getting more muddy. Trees are closing in. Soon we'll have to find a deer and eat it with our freaking teeth. Make clothing out of the skin. Oh my God, it's so wet here. Ah. Be careful. We got some escapades. Oh, oh, it's mushy. It's okay. It's quite a walk. Gotta go see the beach. See the beach boys. I was supposed to wear this on my head, but I forgot my head strap. This is quite nice. It's very cushy, the handle. Yeah.
Gives you more freedom. And you don't look like a dork.
I don't mind looking like a dork.
Uh-oh.
What?
Dead end.
You say uh-oh. I say phew. Because this was quite a freaking walk already.
Yeah.
And then I could just enjoy the beach. The beach. The beach. Very pretty. Am I in your panorama?
You better come on.
I was moving though. I may have messed it up. I wonder why they cut this off.
It's just private property.
Oh, lucky. Oh, another sign. What does this say?
About the nature preserve.
Well, come look at it.
I'm taking my panorama picture.
Okay.
It's explaining the types of woods you see in this nature preserve.
Uh-huh.
And its area and some general guidance on moving around in this area.
Boop.
You're not supposed to use motor vehicles.
Oh. Good thing we didn't use a motor
And you
vehicle.
have to keep your dogs in leash.
Oh.
No collecting plants or parts of plants or damaging anything, including mushrooms. Oh no, mushrooms and berries excluded. You can take those.
Oh. Thank you sign, but we've eaten already. It's a shame we haven't seen any winter berries. What does cat belly mean? Cat belly. It's in there.
Cable.
Cable. On the way back home. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this freaking nature walk. I don't know if you wanna walk back. If you got to this point, you're just gonna see the same thing but in the opposite direction. Well, you know, you might see something cool that we didn't see on the way here, like this tree that looks like it's reaching out. Looks like a hand. Give a high five. High five. Bunch of little holes everywhere for little critters to live. Whoa, slippery. Be careful. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll keep rolling. You guys will get a good laugh if I take a little trip. No? Look at that. Yeah, this is pretty naturey stuff. Huh? Pretty naturey stuff.
Yeah.
I like how neat the trees are. Like in a row. Like they're watching, like we're doing like a... They're saluting us.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Americans. Welcome to my country. Thank you, trees. Appreciate it. It's a very nice view. Chirp, chirp, chirp. That 35 minutes so far, babe.
Say again?
35 minutes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
3,000 steps.
Huh?
3,000 steps.
I thought you said 30,000. I'm like, what the hell?
I wish.
Yeah. Went into some different universe where the steps were times 10. I'll try to be quiet for a nice serene walk back, but I do tend to ramble a bit. Oh, that's single file. We'll leave the poor Finnish people alone. There is like a really steep staircase over there. Going all the way up. No escalator or elevator. That's okay. You just take your time. I said I was gonna be quiet and I'm talking. Sorry. Snow! Yeah, I can't be quiet. Lots of oncoming traffic. We'll put you guys in the fields. Huh. No, hey, someday. They were just really into their walk, so we'll respect that. Is that a
going there said
yeah.
Easter.
Happy Easter? So the walk back is a little more difficult because you're going up a hill, whereas coming this way you're going down a hill. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a steep hill though.
I mean,
And you got a slight downhill going that way after the curve.
it's true, but we got to get to that curve.
Almost there.
Well, it looks like it, but it's tricky. It's not only just tricky to rock a rhyme. To rock a rhyme that's right on time.
To walk uphill.
It's tricky to walk up this hill. Hopefully my one-liners will keep you entertained on this 40-minute walk so far. You know, now I know why that lady was delayering I'm a sweaty farm animal right now. Am I right?
Yeah.
Who needs to see a sheep when you could see a cheese? Meh. Whew. I think the hump is right there. We could just get the frig over there. I can't wait to be on the gravel again. Oh, a little water break. It's a good thing I brought this.
Yeah.
Would you like some water? All right, ready to go. I feel like the people in the Blair Witch with the boogies coming down a nose. Remember that?
Which one?
Blair Witch.
I never saw it.
What? She was running away from some witch that was from Blair. And she was scared and she had the camera like right up her nose. She was like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And then you just see, they made fun of it in Scary Movie.
That I remember.
Yeah. Alright. Huh. We're making good time. Whew. See, I told you. We are definitely going to need another shower. You want to try to go in there?
Nah.
Nah. Too bad we don't have your younger siblings with us. Treehouse. Alright. I think there is one more little hill by where the tractors are. I could be wrong. I may be wrong, but all I know, I may be right. It's Billy Joel. Oh, there goes your mushrooms. Hey-oh. Wow. Those are nasty. Still no berries, though. Keep your eyes open.
You won't find them this time of the year.
Winter berries, no?
No.
Huh. Huh.
Late autumn.
Late autumn. Late autumn, and then cloudberries in the summer, in the swamp. Right? All right.
Those will be much higher up north.
Oh, okay. By Grandma, where Grandma was.
You'll find some lingonberries, blueberries, wild strawberries, maybe some wild raspberries.
Yeah, when I first came here, I picked the strawberries.
Yeah.
And then by your old apartment, we were picking blueberries.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Oh. Got more people coming. Oh. Put you that way. Look at the trees. Hey.
Hey.
Okay. Uh-oh. Wow, it's busy today. Little kids frolicking. Finnish kids. It's gotta be a good workout with all those kids on their back. You guys didn't see, but they had those rucksacks with children attached to them. Oh, I think I see a horse.
Yeah, people ride horses.
Huh. It's out in that field. Or it's a big dog. But I think it's a horse. We'll see. Oh, we caught up to someone. No, it's a horse.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see over there. I don't think I can. The battery's gonna die. No, wait, is it? I don't know. Oh yeah, the top right is battery. And the top left is memory card. I gotta remember not to speak so loud. These people don't like us loud people. Maybe tomorrow we could come discover that area.
Sure.
More people. So face you that way. Oh, and we could make a right. Next time we're here, we could do the right side.
Yeah.
The actual trail. If you guys stayed this whole way, what the hell is wrong with you? Must have been pretty boring. Unless you just like watching really serene stuff. What does this say?
It's telling you to walk the marked trails.
Huh? Is that private, that trail over there?
Yeah, I guess it's where the horse came from.
Huh.
No trail.
Yeah. narrow, but might be nice. Go see that old farmhouse over there. Yep, there is another hill. Glitter pipe. Heyo. Yeah, we may want to go on this side now. Alright, I think this is gonna, the battery's gonna shut down.